Hi everybody, Sylvia Longmire from Spin the Globe. I'm here with Ellie from Israel for All and with Aaron, who's behind the camera. And we are in the Old City in Jerusalem, Israel. We've got a lot of people. We've got people from tour guides. I've got this guy in a bike that's trying to get me out of his way. Lots of food and narrow alleys, just stuff to buy, lots of things to see. We were just in the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, where a lot of history for several different religions. And it's a beautiful day. There's not a cloud in the sky, and we're just rolling around. And actually, the city, there's a lot of there's some bumps, and some of the cobbles, they're not really too bad, but the great thing is that there was a ramp to get down into the church. There are ramps everywhere. There are a lot of drop curves, and for being such an old place, so far I really haven't had any trouble getting anywhere. So that's one of the best parts of being in a place that's so incredibly old. So Aaron can pan around and show you some of the sights. And the crowds just kind of come and go, but yeah, we're enjoying a lovely day in Jerusalem. So until next time.